Glass cleaning machine is in mirror making, vacuum coating, tempering, hot bending, insulating glass lamination. Special equipment for cleaning and drying the glass surface during the pretreatment process of ISO deep processing. The glass cleaning machine is mainly composed of transmission system, brush, clean water rinse, pure water rinse, hot and cold air drying, electronic control system and other components. The main drive of the glass cleaning machine adopts gear transmission, frequency conversion, speed regulation, and digital display. The rotation of the brush roller in the cleaning part is driven by the independent belt of the upper and lower sets of motors. Smooth rotation speed and long service life. The temperature can be automatically controlled and set automatically, and the speed can be adjusted by the stepless motor.